Stop Amina's deportation. Free Amina. We still standing here, and we still will be standing here. And all what we're asking is freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Stop Amina's extradition to Russia. Russia should not be in Interpol. Stop Russia's membership in Interpol. Russia is breaching all human rights. Russia is the evil country who killing innocent people, who putting to prison with fabricated cases, who torture. Russia is the one who tortures the people who are in prison. So we're asking no to Russia. We're asking stop Amina's deportation. We're asking freedom for Amina Girikhanova.